In 361 AD, Emperor Julian, known as Julian the Apostate, ascended to the throne with a vision to restore paganism across the Roman Empire. His brief yet impactful rule from 361 to 363 AD was marked by significant reforms and fierce battles aimed at reversing the tide of Christianity established by his predecessors. Julian's reforms were comprehensive, targeting various facets of Roman life. He reopened pagan temples and restored their traditional rites and festivals. To undermine the Christian clergy, he implemented measures to withdraw their privileges and financial support. Julian reintroduced pagan philosophers and educators into the mainstream, emphasizing the Hellenistic ideals of virtue and wisdom. One of Julian's notable strategies was the reformation of the Roman educational system. He mandated that teachers should adhere to pagan values, ensuring that future generations would be steeped in the ancient traditions. Despite his efforts, Julian's reign was met with resistance. His military campaigns, such as the notable Battle of Ctesiphon in 363 AD against the Sasanian Empire, were pivotal moments. Unfortunately, Julian was mortally wounded during this campaign, leading to his untimely death and the eventual failure of his religious revival. Julian's attempt to restore paganism left a profound, though fleeting, impression on Roman society, illustrating the tension between traditional beliefs and the rising tide of Christianity.